just put a video up about adding potassium to your garden, and straight away questions were coming in asking what plants like it, what plants don't. It's more of a complicated question than that. A cup of tea, there you go. So I thought I'd just do a little video, be easier than typing out a massive reply to the questions. Plants are they're either alkaline lovers or acid lovers. Typically, you're alkaline lovers like the extra potassium, but that's not the only reason to add your ash to the ground. But let's get to the plants first. Tomatoes love it, broccoli love it, lettuce loves it, the carrots love it because they like the free drainage. Peppers, chilies, all the brassicas, all the brassicas love it. Your corn will love it. What have we got here? We've got some tomatoes, they'd love it. Beetroot, not so much. More beans, beans love it. Beans love the free draining soil. Love it, love it. Oh, I'm just getting carried away now. I've got all my seeds out. Really, anything sweet, all the sweet plants, they're going to be the ones that like the high potassium. But that's not the only reason to add ash to the ground. It also helps with drainage. It helps your plants retain nutrients, and it makes them tastier. The only thing I wouldn't add it to is my sweet potatoes and my actual potatoes. They're not big lovers of the potassium, so I'd avoid putting it on sweet potatoes and potatoes, especially if you're doing it in tubs, because it's more concentrated. It wouldn't be so bad if you do it in the ground. You can add it to the ground, but I'd avoid adding it to tubs. Anything that's in a container, steer well clear of adding potassium to that, because it can get too highly concentrated. But yeah, here's just a quick selection of the veg that would love the potassium. Everything from your toms to your green leaves, especially if you're going to be using your green leaves, picking and leaving the plant in constantly growing. I like to just take the top leaves off and let them keep going, sort of a perpetual growth. That really benefits with potassium. Chilies and peppers, they will love extra potassium. The corn will definitely get a little bit when it's ready. I'm going to start putting mine aside now because I've got quite a good build up. So I'm going to start saving my ash in little bags, put it next to the compost bin, or put it out of the rain, more importantly. Keep it dry, and I can use it all the way through the summer then as well. Oh, throwing seeds on the floor, getting carried away. This is my little seed collection from last year. I overbought, which is a warning to everybody. You don't need this many seeds, but I do like to experiment. 3-4 different sorts of tomatoes I did last year, 3 different sorts of carrots I did last year, 4 different varieties of peas I think we did. I'm just having a bit of a tidy up, preparing, cleaning, getting everything ready. This is a good little investment if you want to start early. It's a heat mat. Simply plug it in and put your seed tray on top of the mat overnight. It helps with those nighttime temperatures. Well worth a few quid it cost. Another little purchase I've made, my slug traps. I don't like sharing beer, but any leftover beer goes in the bottom of the trap, and the slugs dive in head first. My collection of plant pots ready for seeding, including yoghurt pots. Small hole drilled in them. Absolute perfect little seed trays. All sorts here. Oh, it's going to be the new lawn. Just there. It's going to get seed in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to keep it as a fine turf lawn. So that should be nice. I'm making a live video, Miyuka. I'm live on the internet. The little helper there, doing the laundry. I'm going to do this lawn and a lawn down at the bottom. Going to do them as fine turf lawns. Cut with a cylinder machine. They will look fantastic come the summer. There's another one around the corner here, but I'm not walking around there, it's raining. These are the seed trays that I've used last year, that I've saved to use again this year. They're good ones. I've got these smaller ones here, which I got cheap at the end of last season, unused. So I bought them on the cheap. They're fantastic. All sorts I've saved, all perfect for seeding up. Okay, well I hope that helps. Any other questions, feel free to ask. If not, message me directly. Thanks for watching.